There were about 140 people listed to appear at Maitland Local Court this week. How many cases can we find public information on to inform us about what the case was actually about? I can find one. It's actually a Port Macquarie case about a drunk driver in an airborne car. It looks like it was transferred to Maitland for sentencing. The story says the driver is from Lorne, which is a suburb across the river from the courthouse. Yes, you can crash your car into a house at Port Macquarie and return home to be sentenced if you plead guilty or are found guilty. What about the other 139 people listed this week? Can't find any media stories. We know one of the cases involves the woman accused of stealing in Rutherford. We heard the beginning of the legal story. We heard that they charged the woman back in July thanks to a police media release. And yes, there's been chat about the alleged stealing from this defendant on those community social media pages. Well, the woman was listed for sentencing this week, but I can't find any media stories where we can discover the end of the legal story. For example, what were the consequences of stealing stuff in Rutherford? I'm not sure why we sometimes hear about the charge and never the sentence. Remember, one of the purposes of sentencing is deterrence. Knowing about a case and the consequences may deter people from doing the same crime. And knowing about a case at Maitland Local Court may deter people from having a case at Maitland Local Court.